And then on Thursday, my luck had changed. She stood there all alone. I went and asked her name. I never thought that this could happen to me. In only 7 days, it would take 100 or more for memories to fade. Friday would last forever. I held her close to me. I couldn't bear to leave her there. Saturday, just 24 hours. Oh no, I'm going back home on Sunday. So sad.